Come closer, man. Hear me and say to you now. You see, for the first time, you know what a channel here? We are trying to reach 100K. And we are reintroducing somebody today. So watch a movie. Be what it means. Where they come from, Canada, America, or the UK. What's wrong with you? Alright? Burn it down to the ground. Because everybody in the world, one love all the time. Watch a movie.
Girl, what one? No, sir. May I tell you? Me enjoy myself last night, you know, I don't know about you. Then I see the one Keisha in the dance with the old pop down shoes that she have on. Girl, me not tell no lie. A long time him did for that. Me kinda miss him still, you know, cause now nothing on to go on. Me not get no money and he used to thief the things that I give me. Me I tell her, say the boy used to thief and carry the money come give me. Me fit up in eyes, me a motor massy. You're lucky. Me call you back.
Are you me come to? Are you me come to? Me ear say I there with my man. Me ear say you take all of the money from him when him dead. You go take money out of dead man pocket crosses. I go take your girl. You know how long me I hear about you? Are you me I hear about how long? Boy, you put on food. Give me this and I'll get it from you. Wait, give
no,
that.
But this is not easy.
Give that. Well, me
Imagine you
me chew and get it, dog. And you can't do nothing about it. You take away all that man money out of him pocket, girl. I said it stay. You're too wicked. I know you a long time. A long time I know you and me I say me and I did friend. You're a wicked. Pinch yourself again, you don't feel
I must dream me a dream.
No, you're too fool. You know what you need to do? Take all the underpants too. You can't see man there, you take out money out of man pocket crosses, I go take you as a wicked girl, but don't worry yourself. I'm gonna pay you a visit. Don't worry yourself, you hear me say? And this is not a threat, it's a promise and a gone. Pinch yourself, you damn idiot. Hey girl, you see anything me tell you? I saw you go and I that me mean.
Lady, come out of me house.
Come out of
Come out of me house.
Mad.
Come like, are you mad?
You're mad.
No, sir.
You're mad.
Miss.
Mad girl. Oi, don't put your hand on me. Come here, set me dead man spirit on you, you idiot.
The blood of Jesus.
Back to the sender. Watch me and you. I'm going to pay you a visit. Don't worry yourself.
man, I don't know me, you know. You're lucky me wake up and one good spirit this morning. Girl, don't know me, you know. Yeah, girl. Sorry about that. You know, say Zena. Me there they eat my breakfast. And this big woman coming at me place. She had here when me I talk to you about her dead man. Girl, me say, me I tell her so she don't know me. This morning wake up on the good side. On the good side of my bed this morning. Cause I'd just take her and fling her out on her head top. And that me would do this morning. But you know what? Make you rest, me will buck her again. Anyways, girl, me call her back. Me and you will talk. Yo, what go on?
Yeah, no.
You know, say, I go want you to come link my door. Right on my block, you see me? Because I'm sitting on want you to deal with for me now.
Alright, I kick 2 balls now. For the ball field, I'm so forward. Me look at me there.
Me no mean so 1 hour, no, brother.
So me are so forward, man. Ready on the yard?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Wash out here and turn it down.
Alright, no say a word.
Nice. But where's that one now?
Come on, married for you.
Listen, man. Mama, you know when I think we're just going one day, you start to talk to me certain way like you know, no respect. You know, no respect for my name, brother. Me no brother. If me a brother and sister, we won't do the things that we do already. But tell me what you say because that are all times you can pay every time we do nothing. But I'm not your brother and sister. Where's I going now?
I pity you don't know what happened to me today. Little bit before I call you. One woman coming on my house, going disrespect me, you know. You understand what I say? Box me in my face and everything, you know, drape me up, you know. Yeah, what I want you to do for me? I go want you to dust her out for me, pay you.
Yeah.
Me know
but you have the money now?
Listen what I say now, I can't want you to transfer the money.
No, she don't have the money now. Do you have the money right now?
No, I don't have the money.
Because really and truly the girl thing when I really earn too money now, but right now I don't want tight spot now. So we need the money now.
I understand say you know, earth woman and they sitting there, but I know say I love money, you know, differently. 300,000 I pay you. I can't make you
You have the money now?
No, I can't make you get it by later.
Listen me, it's when you have the money, you link me and you tell me who the female is and it's done. Just link me. But right now, if you don't have the money right now, I'm not feel a bit tired enough. From football, I play my 24 to go up and so I'm not swap on for nothing. Because them the 300,000 4 years in that so I work said way. So anyway, leave when you're ready. Well, go on, bad boy, yo, you know what I mean?
Mama dry?
P.I.?
Yes.
Yeah man, come in. Me not look for you much later, you know. Me never know say me a come so early.
Nobody, you know?
Yeah, me know, you have to this.
Alright, so yeah, okay. So on the phone they asked me say I have something to deal with, one case more. What was it about?
No, this guy knows say him like my daughter. Yeah, they've been dating for about a year and a half now. But it's getting serious. I mean, it's getting serious. But something about this guy, I don't know. I just can't put my hand on it. I don't trust him. Let me speak my mind. I don't trust him. And my daughter, me I tell her, man, she's a doctor. And, you know, a lot of money me spend on her, you know, because her father dead and I me one raise her. So, you know, if she would date somebody and it will get serious that it reach out to marriage, but I like to know say somebody good. You understand what I'm saying? We don't want nobody to come use her and abuse her and then mix up in her drugs and stuff like that. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give you all the information. I'm going to get a picture in picture and stuff like that. So now, what's your price?
Well, my price no more than fee text you.
Okay.
And send you all the information. And they say you will send me information and where you locate. As I say, in my plan to get engaged there, that, alright?
Yeah, it gets
So,
serious.
I get serious. So basically, you want me to watch him and see if matching.
Right. Yeah, I mean, I really trust him. So, you know, as I say, I want to, you know.
Alright, so what I go do now? I go text my account number. I send half of my account number, half now, and half when the job is done.
Okay, that's not a problem.
Yeah, so you want to know where you locate, exactly where they we find him. Or when him I go know it, as soon as I know say my left yard or go nowhere, they let me know.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
but really and truly, you don't have to let me know, you know, because that's my job.
I know.
Send me a picture, me I find him.
I mean, you say you're good, you know, the kind of person who recommend tell me say you're very good. So, you know, I like that. You understand? I like that. Alright,
So, this I just that, right?
yeah, just that.
Okay, so me make a note for that.
Okay.
So, let's do this over there.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you too, mom. Nice meeting you. Okay, take care now. Alright. I wish you not cook, you know. I mean, you know, I don't really know her.
Yeah, babe, you forgot to leave the key. Yeah, but I'm leaving now. I can't stay. I have a client. No, I've got to go. I'm gonna just leave it open. You'll close it when you get back. Okay. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll handle it. It's fine. Okay. Babe, I told you that I pulled up the door because I didn't see the key and I asked you to leave it. But it's not my fault you forgot to leave it. We'll talk later. Yes, I already did. No, I didn't. I'll talk to you later. It's fine. I left it open. It's okay.
Mama.
Hi. I'll talk to you later. What's up? I haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah. Yo, I soon talk to me, you know. We are link mommy and tell mommy. Yeah. Yo, shout her, you know, because I give them money to that. No, this is the like come get here, so they care about you know. So they like or something say to them man. Yo, link mommy no man, do that. We don't check the thing them you know, cause we not check the thing them you know, that's the problem you know. We not like that, we don't check it, right? So link mommy. I wait to move forward. Me up on a mission and all you know. You hear me?
I see you're up to no good as usual.
No man, you know, see you have to make money, so and then you put down your things or some, your shoes or some place and put a ramp with it. You know what I mean? And then them are, yo, when I like to call me, you know, man, call them foolish, you know. Shoes them put a one place more than one somebody know party there. Well, go on, you know, so from what them if you talk to you though.
Pertaining to what?
Pertaining to how your body a move.
What?
Me see your bumper roll go down and roll come back up, so I mean.
Rasta, do
See your
not
bouncy,
do that.
you know
Do
me.
not do that. Remember that I am in a relationship. Do not do that.
Yes. You in a relationship, that's good. You in a relationship, but more in a
No,
you more on the
Rasta,
inner.
I am not going into that with you because remember.
You want a bad man to protect you.
No, I'm fine. I'm not into that type of things. Remember, I have friends and remember how that story goes already. The whole of them still single right now and me, No, I'm not into that.
Listen,
Please be
Me
reminded of your reputation.
Me nah go beat your mama.
That's not it.
No,
Remember your reputation. You understand? You're a bad man. Me not deal with them something the rasta. You understand?
No, you
I'm
see,
not
a
that
good
type of
woman
person.
deserve a bad man because that's how you work. Current, you know, you have negative, you have positive. You're positive, me have a negative energy. When it's all combined, alright. You see a laugh, you know, it's a good vibe.
I have anyway.
Think
It's
about it
nice
though.
seeing you.
Think about it.
I'd rather not.
about
Anyway, it's nice seeing you. I have work.
One
so
night, alright, me know why problem. I should have a man. Me fix it.
Bye, Rasta.
Me fix the problem one night time then.
Yeah.
Come take man out of the picture. Yo, I'm call to my dog when I did in the set. We don't kill nobody for that. We don't kill man over. Yo, bad dog. You know, you remember back in the days when you want to catch it down the road and catch you saying have man and this and that and you did take where the virgin go lock him up at one place over in one bush. And you never did, you give him food and make him stand there, but by the time you let him go, his girlfriend breed and everything, more you don't want him stunt there, you know, because I want to catch him sit down and down on the flat here. I be hard then because she have man, so when I be a more you can just take out that you to go, put him in one place, not kill him, you know. Turn calm and everything over the give him, make him eat food straight through and drink juice. And then by the time him the back a road, you know, saying girlfriend fat up. You know what I mean? Yeah, not so fatty. We're worried about it, man. Ah.
Yeah. So it's early in the morning. I'm gonna take you to the airport.
Yeah, I have to leave.
So it's gonna be like what, like maybe 6 months. You're gonna be back as you plan.
Everything works well. Plan is working out.
It's gonna work. You know, any plan you plan is gonna work. Yeah, I know your plan always works.
By the grace of God, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, for me, you know, I'm gonna continue do my music. So when you're back, yeah, probably one of my songs hit. So yeah.
Then I come first class.
Definitely, I fly you in first class, of course. There's no doubt about that. Yeah, definitely, we know that.
That sounds good. I remember.
Yeah. I'll never forget, because you are good people. You know you are good people, so we look out for good people, right? Definitely. Yeah, so within 6 months, I know I'll see you again. Yeah, so I'm going to plan a bigger plan. Definitely, yeah. But the whole of it is that you enjoy yourself. Yeah, so that give you the encourage to you to come back. You got fun.
It's amazing the things what was planned and then came good out. So definitely I will come back.
Okay. I get some good marijuana.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna go back up there the first thing when you back there. Like that marijuana place. Yeah. They got everything you need.
Yes. And we're gonna add something on top.
Which is right, we definitely gonna do that.
You have a lighter?
Yeah.
So yeah, have to prepare now. Getting a little ready.
Yeah, get ready. So it was like a nice vibe.
So can go also.
Alright, come give me some love. There you go, get ready. Yes, I'm gonna be here chilling, so you go get ready, okay?
Yes.
Mwah.
I'm gonna see some friends and
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah.
Hey princess! Oh, long time.
Long time.
Where you been all the time?
I was busy.
But me, I have to leave today. So
You're gonna leave today?
I have to leave. Yeah, it's gonna be another 6 months before I come back.
You not think that too long? You're gonna leave your husband for 6 months. That too long.
But have you take a look?
I don't know boy.
No, only me alone.
So I mean, why he not coming with you?
because I have to do some things, you know. So remember also we planned some things, so that's why I have to go with 6 months. So I hope I can prepare everything.
6 months is very long for you to leave your working out here.
You think so?
Yeah, very long.
But you know we have phone and everything. You're also here now, or you planning to? So you can take a ride. You'll be there.
You don't want me to do anything for you, right?
Yeah, that's why you're my
Exactly.
bestie, you know. So we call every day, no problem. So and if everything planned well, we come all with success. We're gonna enjoy more.
I hope when you are coming back, you carry something for me.
Yeah, you know, your plans, I like them very much. That's why I have to go. We have to plan so we can support and doing something together, making bigger things, you know. I like to be around you all the time, so that's the plan.
Don't worry, I will do it. I will.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Please.
But anyways, I'm going that way. So
Okay, we're gonna see you soon. Love you. Take care. My glasses.
I'm just mind that man there, and once if I'm married, I'm gonna inherit everything. I have not really everything, but some of the thing. Yeah, I can't live up here, and I live up with my friend. So guns, man. After I'm married, I get to my thing, you know, say, man, I can't live good. Big house, big thing, big this, big that, big everything. You understand?
And this is a comfort to a fool.
I see this thing, man.
So you can't trick me.
No chicken, man, no chicken fuck.
So me I left it to other woman now. Me just want you to know some hurt over the whole situation, you know. Even though money I try to make, me still I talk to you.
Yeah, man. Let's see. Come closer.
What you try? What you do? Me I talk to you. You focus for your big makeup them. Me say me hurt over the whole situation.
I know, but sometimes I understand. Come out of poor life.
Yeah, me understand.
Well, rich mama drive them big Benz there and them big things and them big that. So I have to go for the money, you know.
So what if?
Touch him, though, I know. Not touch him.
So what if me find one white man who fit take care of me? And when he come, you have to come out of the picture.
What do you mean, me have to come out of the picture?
Yeah, because if he go one time with me, right? Me have to go there everywhere with him, right?
No.
So what you talk about?
No, you know, have no agreement with that.
So when the woman come, you're gone out and you're not gonna enjoy life.
Different. And me that different means me and you is you. No, you know that.
Okay.
Me already get money for you.
So
look about me, you want more, you want.
So $3 grand on my face.
Relax yourself, man.
He may ask her one question. $3 grand. I talk to the man. And he look for. See everything I want. Alright. See everything I want.
What you see,
Never mind, it's alright.
You see, eh? You tell us you don't have man.
I never know, see, I saw you're tough.
Listen, mama, I'll let's style it. I know I'm jail now, I'm tired.
How we do run to?
Why? How good? No, I can't. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, babe, what's happening?
Where you there?
You know, so me have a mother because she not feel good to me come make some tea for her.
So why you never tell me?
Me never remember, man. I truly never did. Me I come now, dude. Me I forward.
Me I can't look for her like how she sick.
No, man. No come.
Why?
She good, man. She good. Over there, me I come now, man. She good. Me get her. She good now. She good.
But me want to see her like
No,
how...
man. She don't want to see no. I want sickness. You don't know if you have a kitchen sickness. You know you kitchen sickness. Don't come. Me I come.
Really?
Me I know. I'm my mother. Me I know kitchen sickness. Me I come right now.
Alright,
Yeah,
babe. Hurry up here.
No.
Hello. See your shirt back and front. How are you worried so for you idiot? Eh? You afraid of the girl? You afraid of the girl?
No, I'm not afraid of that.
Oh. See your respect she more than me.
I know that, man. I said that. I don't want to go over there and don't want no trouble. You know, I get my money.
Hey baby, what's up?
Hey, not much, and by you?
Oh, I miss you so much.
Yeah, that's cute. I think about you too.
Damn, I can't wait for you to come back.
Soon.
Yeah, baby. So when you say you'll be back again?
On the 5th next month.
Okay, so you stick to the time as usual. I like that.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see you though. I got so many plans for you. We're going places.
Oh, I'm very excited. I also can't wait. That's nice.
So you've been thinking about me?
Of course, all the time. And you?
Well, I think about you like every minute.
That's good.
Yeah,
So,
I you know, ain't lying to you. I'm truthful.
I trust you, you know that.
Yeah,
That's why I go for such a long time.
Yeah, you can put your trust in me.
Always, I think so.
This was how I put my trust in you.
Yes.
Not just my trust, but you know, I put it in you. Okay. Yeah, but I'm here. I'm anticipating you so much. So I'm here just waiting on you, baby. No worries. I ain't doing nothing. You can just trust me, okay?
I know. I come soon back and I'll be so happy to see you. I always trust you, you know that.
Okay, so I'll be there like maybe 2 hours waiting on you, waiting on the plane to land, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Alright, sweetie, and I miss you, okay?
Yes, I call you before the flight check off, yeah?
Alright,
Okay.
later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello?
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Lamar.
Good afternoon. I'm calling you about the engagement party I want to plan for my future wife.
Yes, it's all set. All decorations are in order, and not to mention the venue is set already. We're working on the invitations right now. I'll send you, or I'll meet you, and you can take a look at the comments.
Okay, that's good. So can I add like 2 more people to the...
Sure, no problem. Of course. We have your card on file, so everything is paid for.
Okay, that's good. So I was just calling you to make sure everything is on point. You know, like next month, everything should be here. So I just want to make sure, okay?
Yes, sir. I understand. We'll keep contact with you, sir. It's fine.
Okay, and I appreciate you because you've been so lovely. So I like it. Yeah.
Of course, you're
Customer
one of our
service and
customers, so
yeah,
you
customer
have to
service.
keep
Yeah, customer service is on point, so I like that. So as time goes by, I will contact you as early as possible and follow up, okay?
Okay, sir. We'll keep in touch.
I appreciate you. Thanks a lot. Alright, bye. find the song you know. I'm so fond of somebody. I'm choosing somebody. Somebody we know from where they could be telling you. I'm telling somebody. Somebody got some. I know this now, man. I like how all my meds and people are disturbing to us. Okay, I know this. Hey, what going? Not true. It's been a minute to see you, man. Come inside. Not true. I said I give me some trouble for all here, man.
You need to get it fixed.
Yeah, but I get it fixed, man. My friend got me never see him. That's true, man. They are all like a one vibe, though. So you can hold the seat and go and stand up, not true.
A long time, I'm not here for one.
She good, man. I know she said she have forward next month. Yeah, man. She said the 5th, so, you know. So she don't call you from she go.
From she go was supposed to one time a year for now.
I'm sure. Yeah, man, we think regular man can ever since they with that.
This is say you keep the place nice, though.
I'm sure you like it. I see our bed look good. Yeah,
very
man.
clean and nice.
I'm going to keep it because I know it's going to clean you out and I don't.
I'm come to me, I can check upon you if you're good.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. No joke, man. You see, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. With the whole it's you, because I know she come in, she'll link you, because you're a good friend that, you know. Yeah, man.
So what you do for today? What is the plan?
I say I already make a time to go and meds it. Yeah, man, I want to find a hit song. So let's go and meds it, man. I don't make it and go and I stay into them, man. You see, man.
Okay, that's cool.
So you've been up to since?
Boy, it's rough, but me I'm much with, you know.
Sure.
Life.
I know my life come with a lot of things, you know. Just, we have to overcome it though, you know.
Just so you go.
Everything them to take time, so probably you get me your time and my time, it will reach, man.
Yeah, man.
So I'm there, man. I just go and hold the vibe, man.
Alright, I can't leave now. Go and hold the vibe.
Yeah, man, I appreciate you being here. Get my man said, just pick up yourself, man.
Alright.
Careful in the street, don't.
Call up at the door.
Alright, yeah.
Say something about it. Listen, me have something for show you.
What?
You saw from my drive come, if you come with us and call and tell us to come let me talk to you. Anytime you hear mother say something, you know, I tell you, that's how you go. I don't know foolishness. You look on this. You look on this. Come on, phone about to act up right now. Look on this. Which part you did there last night?
I was home.
So who that and him? He's saying cousin, right? And he tell you saying the girl and cousin. You saw close him and the girl. All the back side of your cousin and that the position where they turn up in now. You know the sister her boyfriend and girlfriend thing, her wife and husband thing.
And they hug up.
Yeah!
What thing go in our house?
Yeah! Me tell you say something about the boy, you know. That's why me get a private investigator and go and come mess you up. I did.
Mommy, you get a private?
Yes, I did. Because I don't trust him. So I have to get one to investigate which part him go, when sleep, when yam, when where, because he's a big notorious liar.
I can't believe this. I called him last night and he told me say, in the over and mother not feel good.
Lie.
That time I over a girl in there.
I mean,
What the hell?
a long time it start.
This look like a year's relationship. Because she hug him up on her mouth like she has said I love you or something like that.
A long time it ago. So me I tell them a man yeah, oh shit. Then I walk pick up, sit down, dash or nothing. Then just chop.
And look how we are planning our wedding and everything.
Me know something about him, man. From the very first day I come at the house and introduce me to him, he started picking on my head say, Mama Joy, something no right. Something no right, get a PI. And I sure did. See all the footage the man could go and show me.
Get all of my money, you know. Because when me and married, he would have control my money.
So why wouldn't you sign a prenup? You're supposed to sign a prenup.
But, well, it didn't happen or nothing.
in Africa. In Africa, you can't work. You have to go back to that. What the hell? It's not safe.
Watch it. Call them picture them movements there. Watch it. This a wife and husband or man and woman thing. This is a boyfriend and girlfriend. Sweetheart and sugar dumpling.
I jump like
Get on over there. I hope you never come with the camera. Take the phone and talk to me.
later.
Yeah, take care of yourself. Call me. Alright, later. Alright, take care of yourself. I don't think bother you now. I'm gonna stress out yourself. Alright, they're home now. They're home.
Ready, what we are doing? Come, we need to talk to you. What you did the last night? What you no, you have to lie. What you did the last night?
No, Mama.
Tell me one more lie again. What you did the last night? Hey. You hear that? Go on to your pink hair woman, you know.
Which pink hair woman?
I'm a cousin. Which cousin? As a matter of fact. Go on to your pink hair woman. Don't come from here. As a matter of fact, you can't come here because you see everything where they are yard, and my money by that. And my money by that. So you see, you don't have no right to come over here and you have pull out and restrain in all of our yard.
Yes. Can your heart are beat fast enough. So we can do it the easy way or we can do it the hard way. Come I can see you. I see your foot right there, so. But we don't want to get the place messy. So you can come with me in a car and we go somewhere go figure it out. Because somebody's selling for you. If you want to create a scene, we can do it right there, so. The camera is filming, but we don't really care. Tell me what you do. Zina, come, I know you know. I know you directly. So tell me what you do. I say, I mean, your boyfriend to do road, you know. So, he's dead and gone, but me there. I'm going to get a job, and to me, this is his business. So, tell me what you say now. Somebody, you pay me money to analyze you, right? But in respect, because you and your boyfriend used to run you before he dead. Wagwan. I look a female link, man. You must go to sleep now.
So why they want to get rid of me?
I don't know, I
What
don't
you
ask
do to
that.
them?
I ask, but they said nothing. They just said keep seeing and them are paying me. They pay me already. Money wire to me account. So if you can't come here for sell it, your boyfriend they will for money. I will for kids and go on and they will for money after I can chat them. Same must get my money.
Alright, we can make a deal with you.
Yeah.
We can give you 200,000.
She a pay me 300. Try 450.
Okay,
I'm a spirit life, I'm back with you.
no problem, we can give you 5.
Alright.
And if you agree with that,
Give me 5 then.
and then everything.
Everything good. You never see me. You know your body and the person who why you analyze them. That's it really. Because they are feel boyfriend for way back. And that's the only reason why they talk to you. Because normally, I don't know, talking, you have a silence upon nobody will hear, you just come find yourself and everything. But I talk with money talk. I need to move. Nobody account. There's a counting.
But at 700, that
No, we're
we
going
will
to
give 5,000.
Hi, what's up?
I thought you never did here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I go and chill, you know?
Good?
Yeah, you can come here, look, have a talk. So what's bringing you on here today?
I was just wondering, like, the girlfriend is not here. I think we could just do something.
You know, honestly, you look good, but I'm not a cheater, you know? Yeah, I'm a one burner, as they say.
I understand, but you don't know what she has over there.
Yeah, but I don't want to know. I even think about it.
What if she a cheat on you?
Well, I think that's her business, and I'm just not a cheater. I believe in one partner. That's just
I
me.
got what you're saying.
Yeah, you look nice and everything, cause unless if I wasn't with her, probably I would give you the chance, but I don't cheat.
I get it.
Yeah, I can't do that. Still be friends. Nothing will change, but yeah. So honestly, as I say, you look so nice and everything. If I wasn't involved with her, I'd probably give you a chance, but I don't want to do it.
Okay, I'm not going to force you to do anything you don't want to do.
And I appreciate that. Yeah, but nothing changed the friendship. We're friends for life and everything, you know? And you know you can stop by anytime, you understand? Yeah, man, go give me some love. Alright, enjoy your evening, okay? Alright, let me let you go.
Alright.
Okay, buddy.
I'm going to fix the door?
No, I'll fix it tomorrow.
Alright,
Have a good one.
Hey, yeah, it's me. How are you? Yeah, good. Yeah, I'm fine too. I want to tell you I'm around now. Where are you? Okay. Yeah, you come to the spot? Okay, good. See you soon.
Hello.
Hey, that was fast.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. And you?
I'm okay as well.
Yeah.
So you say you have a job for me?
Yes, so I heard that you could help me. So the thing is that I arrived a week earlier, so he don't know I'm here already.
Okay.
So I just want to make sure before all the settings gonna be arranged and everything start, so that you can do it in this week, start to follow and watch.
Okay, I can start right now. So as soon as I leave, I need to text me address and how you look. Like you send me a picture of how you look so I can know how you look or whatever. Oh, so basically you're not supposed to be here yet.
Yeah.
You're supposed to come a different time. But you come to see if I'm a cheat or something.
Yes. So I'm a little bit worried. So it's a little bit long time. My friend told me it's not a good idea. So I am getting a little nervous, and then I hear that you make a very good job. So I would like to be just sure he's good and everything gonna go well. So can you do that for me?
Yeah, I can do that for you. But the payment? How was the payment?
Don't worry, I'm gonna pay you well. So what you need, you're gonna get.
Okay.
So I just want to make sure.
Okay, so you can tell me exactly where your boyfriend's staying?
Yeah, he's staying by our place. So, but yeah, I can give you the address and everything. I can send to you, directly when I'm going. So from there, you could start to do what you're good in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah?
fine. So just text me address and we get it done from there.
Yeah, I will be sent everything.
Okay.
You know the places where you're gonna be and all.
Yeah.
Okay. So I can give you some of the money now, and the half when everything is okay. You agree with this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good.
All right.
So, thank
We
you.
talk.
Have a good day.
You too.
See you soon.
Yeah.
Bye.
Hi, Mr.
Good day,
Hey, how are you?
I'm okay. Hi. I'm Julie, your organizer.
Oh, nice meeting you. You can come in.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Hi, can I come in?
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you. Hey, I bought the wine that you asked for to sample, so you can get 2 glasses.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, let me put you on the table.
Are all set up, not to mention the royal blue that you wanted. Yes, it's amazing. You should definitely stop by and take a look at it first.
So I think I should take a sample to
Yes.
see what she would like.
Yes, definitely. We couldn't get the old one that you ordered, but we got one from
I think
2022.
this is perfect, cause this was the one I was telling you about.
Yes,
It's a great job. I like this. Yeah, I even have to taste it from a look at it. I know this
Yes,
is
pop it
a-
open and see if you like it. I'm not sure if it's entirely sweet, but give it a try.
Okay, I will.
And not to mention, I have the invitations here on the phone. I just want you to take like a quick scan over before I start to get it printed.
That's right.
Yeah, but the venue is okay.
Try this.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so I'll be at the engagement as well, studying with the catering as well, making sure everything and all the process is going through. And after the event, we'll be making sure that you get all your receipts.
Okay, I like that. That's
Yeah.
good. I really do appreciate you.
Yeah, and you'll also get your card back after the event as well.
Okay. Yeah.
So I got you. Don't worry, I got you.
Okay,
Yeah.
I like that. I like
All right,
that.
so let me know how it tastes.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna have a taste right here. Alright, cheers. Okay, good doing business.
Cheers
with
to
you.
the beginning.
Alright.
Okay,
Mm.
it's not bad.
I
It's
like
not
it.
that sweet either, but it's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, I think this was, yeah, this is good.
So you like this sample? So you're going with the
Yeah, I'm
Merlot?
going with this one. I don't think I want to choose nothing more.
Okay.
So I will work with this
So
one.
we'll mark off the Chardonnay and we'll go ahead with the Merlot. All right.
Alright, so thank you very much.
I'll text I'll text the kitchen and let them know that you're going with the Merlot. You see this is just
Yeah, from the start it's so
all
easy.
emotional,
Yeah,
yeah.
It's good doing business with you for real. I recommend my friends, everybody to you, I swear.
You know, come to think of it, you know, this is kind of a bit emotional for me because I've been in a relationship and it's kind of hard because it's not really going so well and I'm an event planner and I haven't been proposed to yet. So yeah, it is kind of sad, you know, but I don't want to be emotional. I don't want to I don't want to ruin your thing.
I
So
know. I appreciate
yeah.
That's the
But as I said, I'll get you the receipts after the event, and I'll be on standby as well with the kitchen. So it was great seeing you.
Alright, I appreciate you.
Yes, you can keep the Merlot, by the way.
Right.
Enjoy yourself. You deserve it.
Let me put you up.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, and safe travel back home.
My gosh, the day has been exhausting. You have no idea.
Alright.
Thanks again.
It's nice seeing you, okay?
It's nice seeing you too.
Alright, have a
Tell the
good
lucky
one.
lady I said hi.
Definitely, I will.
Okay, bye.
Alright.
Hello, Miss Aki.
Hey, how are you?
I really have some bad news here, you know. You see, same thing where suspects say your boyfriend I do, I eat him I do.
Huh?
It's same thing where suspects say your boyfriend I do, say my cheat, I same thing him I do. You over there right now with woman.
Oh my god. You sure?
I am very sure. Me, you have some footage to show you. So when you meet me, right around I leave me, I text you, I just wait for meet me and then meet me, I show you them.
Yes, I'm there right now. I'm coming.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Alright, so
Tell me what's going on.
see you later here. You see me over there, let me drink wine or champagne or something when I enjoy themselves.
Can't believe that.
So,
For real?
yes.
No way. No way. No, I can't take that, you know. So I have to deal with this in another way. So
Meaning?
he must pay for it. So they must get hurt, both of them. So I can't accept that. I knew it. I have that feeling. That's why my friend, she tell me, no, I call you. I find that, no, I can't, no, I cannot. So you can help me with this thing. You can,
Well, Miss Aki, if you tell you the truth, I don't really blame something, you know.
no?
But I have somebody who I know
That's good.
we take care of it here. As long as I deal with him good, he will take care of it and he will take care of it good for you. So I can make a link for you and then I tell you what is what. I will move on from there. So
Yes, that's what I want.
are you sure that
100% sure. He can't do that with me. No way.
you want? Sure, Miss Aki?
No way. No.
Okay.
We have to deal with it different. So I need your help for this. It's not my place. So that's why.
Okay, I'm going to link you first.
Good.
Call him now and hear when you come.
Yeah.
Yo, Fair.
Walk one.
Me there, you know, so me have one mission for you.
Serious?
Yeah, man, me serious, man.
Where want me? Don't talk on the phone too much. Just tell me for you there.
Alright, me there right. You remember full location where we always have a drink and smoke and so off?
But next door though.
Yeah, next door.
Alright, I have forward.
Alright. Alright, so it's coming. He's coming to have a talk with him and talk to him.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. So
Yeah man, my name there for you now.
Oh, yeah, did it?
Let's see. So where's I going
Go
now?
on. This is Mr. Aki and you know what kind of work we do already, right?
Yeah. I don't see a private music. Yeah, once let's say I go on now.
So basically she have her boyfriend. She don't come from here. And you can see she don't come from Jamaica.
Yeah.
And her boyfriend is cheap on her, so she wants somebody to hurt them. See?
So you want me change? You want me broke on her hand, broke on her foot? What you want me do?
broke him complete. So
Alright, well that will cost you a little change, right? It will cost you some money.
no problem.
Alright? Well it's a in Jamaica no problem man. Get rid of one, you get a new one. No problem. A lot of them here give you trouble. You get rid of them and then I give you trouble. I work with you from now on. Alright, so you don't see my face. You don't know me. We just
saw you.
alright, never saw me. Alright? So but give me the footage though. Ooh. What, the two of them or one?
No, two of them.
Alright, so what's that mean? Me know the girl. I know the girl. I know the girl. I'm looking for she live. So I'm circle her Where part the man live?
Me go send you a location.
Send me location.
And me
too.
go WhatsApp your video.
The girl is the easiest one. I'll go for the girl first. Then we can the two of them one place. You want to see them face before then say goodbye?
Yeah.
Alright, so keep in touch. She will tell you.
Good man.
So I will WhatsApp her number to me so I can tell her to come by the boyfriend place. So you see the boyfriend face for the last time.
Good one.
And the side girl to the
Yeah.
last one. Alright? That's what we're gonna do.
I'm happy now.
Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I mean, man, Rasta. You know, say, a smile to Japan, something for you.
What that day?
No know what that girl that give me bomba wig for gear for. So she have wig for you. Down the road. You know the girl down the road named Patsy?
Patsy.
Yeah.
Yeah, me know Patsy. What about her?
No, she says you have to pull that wig for her because she gone somewhere, where. I don't know what kind of deal is. You like to send me out, you know. What all it there? Because I have to go here now.
Hold on, man. Give me a minute. Give me a few. I'm put on some.
You don't have to put on no clothes, just come feed.
Hold on. That's the you're too much in the man.
You know what, Rasta, bless bless me eyes them. Yeah. That I want good sentiment, you say you come. And I know say you alone today. No, listen man.
Rasta, you tell.
I don't want you to talk too much, right? Because if you talk too much, they've got silence you. Listen me now. I know somebody look at what day that's a different story, but now it's a business transaction. Somebody say you take them man. So no, I don't want this argument. Alright, so we're gonna bring you to the location and then we take it from there. So we don't want no time.
Rasta, me, no, you really a deal with me, sir. Rasta, me.
I know say you, but you know. I'm so glad we know say you because I make a piece of money today. Come. Hey, careful. Hello.
Rasta, do
What
me.
you do?
Rasta, me, no, oh God, you can't do me so,
So
please.
what kind of style is that? You think a movie?
But me no want you shoot me, Rasta. You really think me gonna turn up the like idiot?
So when you swim around for pose, you shoot you a while ago. How would you try it?
Rasta, please, may I beg you, oh God, when you know me, don't do this, please.
So how you try to get out of my hand?
Because me no want you shoot me, Rasta. Me know how
But
you
if you
turn.
don't want to shoot you, but I shoot you already.
Rasta, oh God.
If more shoot you,
please,
me not.
and me, you know?
Listen up.
Rasta, me
I know
don't
safe,
do
you know the
this.
past safety, you know.
Please,
Me no want you
Rasta,
do that, man. Not do that again. Go.
Rasta, me
If me go
beg
shoot,
you.
me shoot a long time. And try it again. If I try it again, me shoot in your hand. Don't do that again.
I can't believe
Hello,
it.
stop the talking. You know? Because when me I look you, you don't want me, you know. So you just take a time walk one.
I see. Hi baby, what's up?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What are you doing?
I'm good, just chilling, you know. Seeing you in a few, so I'm just chilling.
Okay, so you're on your own?
Yeah, you know, who should I be here with? I'm always on my own, you know that.
You say so.
Yeah, so you believe when I say so, ain't nothing wrong. Alright?
Okay, you sure?
Yeah, so
Everything good?
everything good, so I'll see you soon.
And you on your own, yeah?
Yeah, I'm on my own, baby, don't worry. It's just you alone, okay?
Okay.
Alright, bye-bye.
Good.
Yeah,
Bye.
mwah.
See you soon.
See you.
Don't follow me, you know. No.
Hello?
Back then.
Okay.
Hey,
what's up?
Back up. What is it? No, I'm talk. Yeah?
What's going on?
Talkless, listen. Go in the bathroom. I'm going to the bathroom. Go in the bathroom. We don't want no explanation. I don't get job to listen to the story.
I'm really sorry. I
What
don't
you?
know anything about this.
We don't get
I don't know.
I don't want you no nice for nobody. So now do, you never dare make nice. I don't never make nice, that's not my story. Oh my, stop talk. Hello, Miss Aki.
Yeah?
Yeah, you need to come over right now. I have the two of them one place. So come over. Mr. Lucky, Monado. Yeah, you need to come over right now.
Okay, I'm there. I'm on my way.
Alright. Ramp to do now. You better go and pray in there. Yeah, well, go on. Come in, man. Let me know bathroom.
Thanks. Good.
Yeah, man, them there, that's all. So say last goodbye to them.
So what's going on here?
Walk fast.
What's the meaning of
What
this?
did I have to see when I'm not there?
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, what do you mean?
Ain't none
Then show me everything. You thinking I'd be stupid or something like that?
So what? You
I
think
go
I'm
so
cheating?
long and let you alone, no one watch after
You
you?
think I'm cheating on you?
I see everything.
So this is why you have all this going on?
You think you can play with me?
Sweetie, I'm
I don't want to
You go by, you go by, you go by.
But I'm not a part
Go
of
in the
this.
bathroom, that's all. I know say me I'm murder one or two.
I see this thing, you two sit together.
No, let me explain this to you. This is not what you think it looks like.
I don't want no explanation.
No, just listen.
Shoot him before
Yes,
explain.
No,
I
listen to me, listen to me.
No.
This is all about an engagement plan. I'm planning to marry you. So she's a consultant for the arrangement for the engagement. So
Can you just shoot him? I don't want to
No,
hear
listen to
this.
me.
So he's telling the truth.
Listen,
I'm
listen,
only an
listen.
organizer.
And I'm gonna believe you?
I'm only an
No, just
organizer.
believe, sweetie, believe me. This is an engagement party for
I
you,
swear
okay?
to God, I'm only an organizer. I don't
Believe
have
her.
anything to
Believe
do
her.
with this.
Believe you are the one, and you know that.
Alright, searching phone. Searching phone. Then
You search it. You see how
I'm
how
not
you can
dying
search
here.
it. You can search it. So you see, this is the text that I sent to her. Look, read it. This is the text. This you see. So it's all an engagement plan for you. So she's just the organizer. I'm not cheating on you.
Oh. Me still have to get paid still, no. Me still have to get paid.
You know. So now you see what's
Still have to get paid.
You know I love
Oh no,
you.
lucky, on the child cheat, come like get kill nobody today.
I will never cheat on you, okay?
I still want my money.
Okay.
You get
Right?
it?
Still
That's
want my
not what
money.
we're talking about.
Alright, so I'll never cheat on you, alright?
Okay.
Alright, baby.
I
Just if it's new, cause I say for November period, kicking up to Christmas, we are trying the 2 movies per week. They want to start post 2 movies per week on JAMMIWOOD. So that means that the work go more, the workload go more, and well, that thing go on. So we'll start. So new movie now, because I realize too much post back some of the time, too much throwback, but some of the time really have to do some throwback, but some of the time we need to do some new movie. So that will depend, new movie. So Candy back in the place same way, as you can see. So you know say I'm more work. Popeye soon jump back in the place, you know what I mean? You know say I'm more work. Plus we have a Volleyball new and original actress and actors, you know what I mean, around the place. You know what I mean? So a bag of things go on. So we have a few new actresses who can comment and say what they do same way. And please do leave a comment, please like the video, please share the video and make it work. You know what I mean? So we out of Sablama, we have a new female. Come through, young one. Come say your name to the people them. I then see your face for the first time before the movie come out. Yeah man, what's your name again now?
My name is Natwina Will, and I used to attend teachers say hi and
Yeah, she said she name, what's your name? Atwana?
Natwina.
Natwina! That name there, Uni. Nat, wait a Nat?
Natwina.
Natwina Wint. Alright. And she not even a quint. Or blink. Alright, but anyway, come going to the front. We show her going for the front line. Mama Jai, are you eat? You the fans them somewhere, you know. Yeah, overnight food. I came back this morning. We said, more that thing you know for cook. You have tin goods and like tin goods.
Me can't be for that. But not tomato, so then I like can't be for that.
You like your corned beef with the tomato. Alright. Up on the road, we are go.
Kaya.
Alright. The fans them and say hi to you. Original candy. You know what I mean? For a long time.
Mess up on yourself.
Yeah man, the JAMMIWOOD city. Run it down to the ground.
Right.
So we are going to put in some work as usual. Now we are carrying up on the road. Get ready.
I need my money back because I am traumatized.
You
I
will get
am
your
going
money
home.
back,
I
okay?
need my money back.
You
This
will
is
get
a
it back.
very traumatizing
Take away
experience.
everything,
And I am not staying here.